Worried about scratches and damage to your car? It's round 5 of our must-have car protection essentials Amazon series, covering sneaky scuffs, UV fading, and annoying visibility headaches. All timestamps and direct links are in the description below. Let's dive straight in. Ever notice those annoying scratches on your car door sills from shoes and daily use? This Car Door Sill Protector fixes that. It's a self-adhesive carbon fiber cover that slips right on to stop scuffs cold. Keeps your car's interior looking fresh without any hassle. Ever thought professional window tinting was just way too expensive? This Car Window Tint Kit has you covered. It's a complete DIY setup with every tool you need, so no extra trips to the store. Just install it yourself and save a ton of cash. That's product number 2, perfect for anyone wanting great tint without the pro bill. Ever notice your car's tire valve caps getting rusty or clogged with gunk? It looks messy and can mess with the air seal. These car will tire valve caps fix that. They protect against dirt and rust while adding a nice touch to your wheels. Ever get caught in the rain and can barely see out your car's mirrors? That's such a frustrating daily hassle. Product number 4 here is this rearview rainproof film. Just stick it on and water slides right off, keeping your view totally clear. No more squinting to change lanes safely. Ugh, who hasn't jumped into their post-rain or steamy morning car, squinted at the fogged-up windshield so hard they barely navigated, and grabbed paper towels that left ugly streaks? Well, gadget number 5 for today is this effective anti-fog car spray from Amazon. Just wipe on a thin, even coat and your windows stay crystal clear for weeks. No dangerous squinting or streaky messes left behind. Alright, which of these 5 car gadgets was your favorite today? If you liked this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Amazon car finds. This is video 5 in our series. All the products are linked down in the description. Thanks for watching.